Brown Cow. Here is a story about only Farmer Brown. Everything on his farm was brown. Even his name was Brown. Farmer Brown's house was brown. His dog was brown. His cat was brown. His goat was brown. His chicken was brown. His cow was mostly brown. Every morning Farmer Brown sat down on his milking stool and said, "Brown cow, please give lots of milk." Every day Brown cow gave lots of nice cream milk. Then one day Farmer Brown felt lazy. He took his daughter to go milk the cow. His daughter went to the barn and sat down on the milking stool. "Give lots of milk, Brown cow." She forgot to say please. The brown cow gave a little bit of milk, but it was brown milk.